Good day, guys. This is me, and information. And today, we will discuss and tackle and understand how those switching components will work and their function to our home, province, check, and a little bit faster. Let's start.
A diode is defined as two-terminal electronic component that only conducts current in one direction. An ideal diode will have no resistance in one direction and allows the current to flow, and that's what we call the forward bias. And if it will have high resistance, it will block the current to flow, and that's what we call reverse bias. A p-n junction is the simplest form of semiconductor diode that depends on the interaction of n-type and p-type semiconductors. A n-type semiconductor has plenty of free electrons and few number of holes. On the other hand, a p-type semiconductor has plenty of holes and few number of free electrons. The free electron of n-type will interact with the hole of p-type, then it will increase the number of electrons and holes to their center, and we call that depletion region. Then, the n-type material is electrically neutral because the number of free electrons and positive ions are same in isolated n-type material. Then, p-type material is electrically neutral because the number of holes and negative ions are same in isolated p-type material. After the result were shown, positive hole will be covering the n-type part of the depletion, and negative free electron will be covering the p-type part depletion, and it will serve as barrier potential of the two types. The image seen below is about the application of silicon-controlled rectifier, or also known as SCR. SCR current flow is also the same as ordinary diode or silicon diode. It flows from cathode to anode, but SCR can perform on and off function. SCR also regulate the flow of electricity with radiation forward bias. This is accomplished by manipulation of adjustable gate control. The function determines when and how much the SCR conducts. Power electronic switches like BJT, SCR, IGBT, MOSFET, and Triac are very important components when it comes to switching circuits like AC to DC converters, motor speed controllers, motor drivers, frequency controllers, and more. Each device has its own uniqueness, property, and thus they have their own specific applications. In this tutorial, we will learn about the Triac, which is a bidirectional device, meaning it can conduct in both the direction, and it is a combination of two SCR with opposite direction of anode that is exclusively used where sinusoidal AC supply is involved. Triac is commonly used in places where AC power has been controlled. For example, it is used in the speed regulators, AC bulb dimmers, and more. The common application of SCR is the light bulb dimmer. It's the switch of gate control adjusted to control the power of alternating current. Note that the timing of the gate pulse and the subsequent change in the waveforms. Also, it absorbs the average current flow increase, and the light bulb becomes brighter.
Oh, Hi there. Thank you, Ella, for sharing your information about the switching components to us. And today, I will show you on how to make a light control dimmer. So, let's start.